Good evening, myself Sudhanshu Pandey and I am welcome to Maths with Sud. Today I am with Akriti and we are going to learn the simultaneous pair of linear equations. It is a very good topic of grade 10, in fact I can say. Simultaneous pair of linear equation. Okay.
Yes.
Now before that I would ask, can you open your camera because I can't see you. I can just see the name.
Yes, I wanted to say. So continue while I turn on my camera.
Okay, fine. So first of all, I would like to know from you, what is an equation? Can you tell me what is an equation?
So an equation is when there's an operation between two numbers, variables, and there's always an output of some sort.
Okay. So equation, you can say it like it has got an equality sign. It has got left hand side. It has got right hand side. Okay, left hand side and right hand side and an equality sign. So this is an equation. Suppose I want to make an equation, I can write like this: 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. We know that 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. And if I put a variable here, 10x is equal to 20, then it is known as linear equation. It is known as linear equation. Now, why it is being said as linear? Because the power of the variable is 1. The degree of the highest power, degree is known as the highest power. The highest power of the variable in this is 1. So it is known as a linear equation. All right. Now, if I ask you, there is a difference between a polynomial and an equation. There is a difference between a polynomial and equation. Now, polynomial can have infinite many values. Suppose I write 2x. So is this a polynomial? The answer is yes. And the polynomial can be named as px is equal to 2x. Px is equal to 2x. Px is what? Px means polynomial in x. Suppose you have a name, not suppose, you have a name Akriti. I do have a name. So every time I need to say 2x, 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 I will say px, because the polynomial can be a bigger one as well. It can be 2x square plus 3x plus 7y plus 2. So to name this, we have given a very small name, which is px, polynomial in x. And this polynomial is a function. It is a function. I have shown you the function machine, right? Have I shown you the function machine? In which we throw a number and something's come out.
Yeah. Start first class.
Wonderful. So that is a function machine. Okay. Now polynomial in a linear equation in a variable, for a single variable, that is x. So I am naming it as p of x is equal to x. This is a very simple first polynomial. And its value is what? Its value will be termed as y. So y is equal to x is a linear equation. What it is? It is a linear equation. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now there is one more kind of equation which can be like this: y is equal to 2x, or you can add something to this, 2x plus 4. So this is also what? This is also a linear equation. So when you are going to solve both of them together, then we say it is simultaneous pair of linear equation. Simultaneous means you are going to solve these two equations for one single solution. And when I say one single solution, I am asking you to find the value of x and y which will satisfy both of these equations. Which will satisfy both the equations. Now, if I ask you what is a linear polynomial, if I ask you what is y is equal to x, can you tell me how many solutions are there for y is equal to x? One solution? How many? Only one solution?
Yeah.
Then what is that solution? Can you tell me?
X.
No, x is not the solution. You can't say x is the solution.
Oh, okay. So,
Can you
would
tell me
it,
what kind of graph of this will be?
sir, a straight line.
Straight line. Wonderful. Can you tell me what will be the slope of this straight line?
A y is equals to mx plus
Good.
c.
Y is equal to mx plus c. Can you tell me in accordance with this equation, can you tell me what will be the slope? Have you done straight lines with me?
I think as one of the first classes, yes.
So slope is 1 because the coefficient of x is 1 and the y-intercept is 0. Okay, slope is 1 and y-intercept, that means c, it is how much? 0.
Okay.
Now tell me y is equal to 2x plus 3. What is the slope of this line? Slope of this line is 2.
2.
What is y-intercept?
3.
3. Alright?
Yeah.
Okay, now y is equal to 7x plus 21. Can you tell me what is the... Sorry, we have done some mistake. Yeah, y-intercept is 3, correct. What is the slope of this line?
7.
What is the y-intercept?
21.
Are you getting what is y-intercept? What is the meaning of y-intercept?
So everything that falls on the y-axis, not x.
Yeah, you have done linear inequations with me, right?
Yes.
In that chapter, what was the name of the chapter? Linear programming.
Yes.
In the linear programming, we were doing the y-intercept, and this was known as the slope. And you have done so many questions with this.
Yeah.
So, okay. Okay. Y is equal to minus 5x plus 20. Can you tell me what is the slope of this line?
So, minus 5 and 20.
Minus 5 is the slope and y-intercept is how much?
20.
Wonderful. Good one. So if I ask you how many solutions for this straight line will be? So what is the meaning of solution? So solution means every point on this line is a solution. Suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and if I put 7x plus 21, so that means the graph is going to start from 0, 21. Are you getting it?
0, 21.
Yeah. For this I am talking about. And
Yeah.
the slope is positive 7. That means if you go 1 unit towards the right, then you will go 7 units above. That means the graph is going to be like this. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
And this straight line, every point on the straight line is the solution of this equation.
So there's an infinite number of solutions.
Infinite number of solution. Wonderful. Infinite number of solution. Good. Now I would be asking, I am going to generalize this now. I am going to generalize this now, and you have to tell me what is the slope and what is the y-intercept. Okay? So let's play some game. So y is equal to ax plus b. Can you tell me what is the slope and what is the y-intercept?
A is slope, B is y-intercept.
Wonderful. Now I am changing the values. Please be careful. by is equal to ax plus c. What is the slope and what is the y-intercept?
Slope is A and y-intercept would be B.
B.
B, no?
Now how does b come? You could have said c.
In
How come b will come?
Output, never mind. Yeah, it's C.
No, the slope is a by b and the y-intercept is c by b.
Okay.
Try to understand, the graph of the equation is not written in this form. The coefficient of y has to be 1. So you have to reconvert this equation into this, you will write y is equal to a by bx plus c by b. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now can you tell me 2y is equal to 3x plus 7. Can you tell me what will be the slope and what is the y-intercept?
So slope is 3 by 2 and y-intercept is 7 by 2.
Wonderful. Now be careful. Minus by is equal to minus ax minus c. Can you tell me what is the slope and what is y-intercept?
Slope is a by b and y-intercept is c by b.
C by b. Wonderful. Okay, so I'm changing it again. So ax plus by is equal to c. Can you tell me what will be the slope of this line and what is the y-intercept of this line?
Slope is minus a by...
No, I want you to convert this equation in your notebook in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, and then tell me what is the slope and what is the y-intercept.
Okay.
Convert. You must know how to convert equation. Hmm. Hmm. ये इसको भेज दिया आपने? तो भेज दिया, वो बुक भेज दी पुराने वाली. ग्रेड 8 की भेजिए, ग्रेड 8 की भेजो. उस ग्रेड 8 वाले उसमें डाल दो. ग्रेड 8 का ग्रुप है, उसमें पुरानी वाली बुक डाल दो, ओल्ड एनसीईआरटी. Are you done?
Bit confused, but...
Okay, see this. See, so if you want to, first step is you will write by is equal to ax plus c, right? You will take ax on the other side, then the b will be in the denominator, so b will come down, so a by bx plus c by b. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now the slope is a by b and the y-intercept is c by b. Understood?
Yeah.
I wanted you to confuse, so I am giving you some more tougher question. So ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now tell me what is the slope and what is the y-intercept?
Sir, what will happen to the 0? What will happen to the 0?
No, you have to take everything on the other side, that's it.
Matlab?
See, if I bring everything on this side of the equation, what will be left on this side? If I take everything from right side to left side, it will become minus ax plus by minus c is equal to 0. Don't you think that this is an equation of a straight line? So I want you to convert this equation. I want you to convert this equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. How do you do that? It's simple. Don't you know transposing? Everything you have to take from left hand side to right hand side. What will happen? The sign will get changed. So what y will become? First you take this ax and c on the right hand side. So you will have minus ax minus c. Alright. Then what y will become? Y will become minus a by b x minus c by b. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Now what will be the slope? Minus
So
a by
it's
b.
the a by b and then y
Minus a by b and minus c by b, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I am going to ask you a simple question. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Okay, can you tell me what will be the slope of this line and what will be the y-intercept?
Slope is minus a1x by b1.
How much minus?
a1x by b1.
No, x is not included in slope, only a1 by b1.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
And then y-intercept is c1 by b.
Y-intercept is how much? Minus c1 over
Yeah.
b1. Okay, good, wonderful. Now I am giving you another equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Can you tell me what will be the slope of this line? It's simple. If you try to find the pattern, you can easily find it.
It's the same thing.
No, it's not the same thing. The value has
Minus
been changed.
a2 by b2.
Okay.
And then minus c2 by
b2. B2.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Good one. Now my next question is, can you tell me how many kinds of lines are there if they are just traveling in a space? How many kinds of lines can be? Suppose this is one line. So how many different types of line can you make classify? So one can be parallel lines.
Perpendicular.
Wonderful. Perpendicular means you can say that they are intersecting lines.
Yeah.
They are intersecting lines, right? Perpendicular is a special line of intersection which is at 90 degree. That's it. So these are two parallel lines. These are intersecting lines. Then there can be third kind of line here which is known as coinciding lines. Coinciding means another line is running on the other line. So I have to make in such a manner. Okay, so I am putting it in a dotted form so that you can understand. Okay, so these two lines are coinciding lines. Now can you tell me what are the factors which will decide how a line will run? You see the graph, how you were making the graph. What are the two main factors which will decide the course of the line?
Its placement over the x and y axis?
No, the first course is the slope of the line.
Okay.
And the second thing is y-intercept. What are the two things? Slope of the line and y-intercept. What does y-intercept tells you about the line?
The placement on the y-axis?
Yeah, it tells you the starting point on the y-axis, because the line start from x-axis at 0. So when it is x-axis at 0, at what y it will start? So it will tell you the starting point of the y-axis, and then comes the slope. Now what does slope tells you about the line? It tells you about how much run you will do, or how much rise you will do when you have one run. It is known as rise over run. What it is known as? Rise over run. It means if you will move one step towards the right, if you will take one run, how much rise in your life you will be. That is known as the slope of the line. All right, understood this concept? For example, let me show you for example. So for the first line I am taking at 2x plus 4. What I am taking as 2x plus 4. Now can you see the first point of intersection is, it is starting from 0 comma 4. And what is the slope of the line? The slope of the line is 2. I am just going to show you each and everything so that you can understand it very easily. Okay, I think this I should have done it on the next page. Okay, now just watch out. The first point is, what was the slope of the line? Okay, first I will write the equation of the line. The equation of the line was y is equal to 2x plus 4. Now can you tell me what was the first point from which the graph is starting when it is pointing at from the origin line, that is 0? When x is 0, what is y? 4.
4.
And see, if I move one run, if I take one run, how much I will rise in my life? 2 units. So it is known as rise over run. Rise over run. That is also sometimes known as a rate. Because for every, you can say that the chocolate is 2 rupees per piece. So you take one chocolate, you have to pay 2 rupees. One chocolate for 2 rupees. For every one chocolate you will pay 2 rupees. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So these are the two things which will decide how the graph is to be made. Now my second question is, if the slope of two lines is same, do you think that they are going to meet ever in your life?
Slope of two lines
is same. Suppose I want to make the graph of y is equal to 2x plus 2. Do you think whether these two lines will ever meet? The slope is same. The starting point is different. They won't meet. How can you say that they won't meet?
Because their y-intercept is completely different.
Okay, slope is also known as, you can say, speed. Slope is known as speed. Now think of, imagine in your life that two car or two vehicles are running with the same speed. But they have a difference of 2 units. Means one is starting 2 meters ahead of the first point. Will they ever meet in life?
Yes, they can.
How they will meet? They are having the same speed. See, the basic difference is 3. So every time the difference will remain same because they are going with the same speed.
Okay, that's what you mean. Then yeah, they'll never meet.
Slope is deciding factor of the speed. Slope is what? Slope is the speed. See, for every 1 unit, the other line will go 2 units above. The next line will also 2 units above. So the gap is,
they'll never meet.
The gap will always remain same. Now I am showing you on this graph as well. So I am going to make the graph of 2x plus 2. Just watch it out. Just see this. Just watch out.
Hmm.
The starting point is what? 2. The starting point is what? 4. Now for every 1 unit it is going 2 units above. For every 1 unit it is also moving 2 units above. So the basic difference will remain same forever. So they will never meet. So what is the first condition of a line that they will not meet? So you can say the slope is same and y-intercept is different. Y-intercept is different. So I am writing here condition for a pair of line to be parallel. Condition is, now you have an equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and you have a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to. Now can you tell me what was the slope? What was the slope of the first line? You said it was minus a1 upon b1. You remember that?
Yeah.
And what was the slope of the second line? Minus a2 upon b2. What was the y-intercept for the first line? The y-intercept for the first line was minus c1 upon a1, and y-intercept for the second line was minus c2 upon, sorry, it is b2. Minus c2 upon b1 and minus c2 upon b2. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now try to understand. The first condition is the slope has to be same. So minus a1 upon b1 must be equal to minus a2 upon b2. Are you getting it? That means minus and minus can be cancelled. So I can take b1 on this side, cross multiply, and a2 I will bring out the bottom side. So it will become a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
This is the first condition for the straight line to be parallel. The second condition is the y-intercept has to be different. The y-intercept has to be different. That means minus c1 upon b1 must be not be equal to minus c2 upon b2. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So minus will be cancelled from both the end. b1 will go on the above side, c2 will come below. So you will write c1 upon c2 must not be equal to b1 upon b2. That means combining both the equations, we can say that a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This is the condition for the straight line to be parallel. Now why I am saying straight line to be parallel? Because if the straight lines are parallel, they will never meet, means they don't have a common solution. They will never have a common solution. See, the point on the line is a solution. So when the two lines meet, the point of intersection is the common solution for both the lines. But since the lines are not meeting, so that means they will have no solution. They will have no solution. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Good. So please write down this condition for a pair of straight line to be parallel. So this is a condition for no solution. What is the condition? a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but is not equal to c1 upon c2. So such pair of line you don't need to solve it. Just by doing the fraction, just by taking out the fraction, equating the fraction of the coefficient of x and y, you can easily find that whether the solution will be there or not. This is now what I am doing. I am showing you the simultaneous pair of equation. Simultaneous pair of equations. So they don't have any solution. So what is the condition? The condition is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, but it is not equal to c1 upon c2. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir. Just 2 minutes, sir.
Okay. It's been half an hour and I thought that we have learned so much.
We have.
Na?
Yes. Bilkul.
So I'm going with some pace now. Okay. Do you like physics as well?
Uh, my favorite science is biology.
Okay. Tomorrow I'm
So,
going to start the experiment on physics electricity
wow.
chapter. So
I
in
love
the
experiments.
yeah, so in the morning I'm doing it from 9 to 11:30. So if you want to join, you can join, or you want to join from YouTube, you can join from the YouTube as well. You can watch the
Yes.
video later as well. So if you want to join in the live class, you can let me know. I will just
Yes,
put
sir.
your name as well. Okay, the class will be from 9 a.m. to 11:30.
Yeah. Sadly, I don't think I'll be able to make it because I have to go out, but I'll give it a watch on YouTube
Okay,
because I like experiments.
good one. Written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, condition for the straight line to intersect. So the basic condition is the slope should be different. What is the basic condition? The
Slope should be
slope
different.
should be different, that's it. So that means what is the slope? Condition for the straight line? Condition for the straight line to intersect. Condition for the straight line to intersect. So the basic condition is minus, what was the slope? Minus a1 upon b1 must not be equal to minus a2 upon b2. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So that means you can cancel the minus sign, a2 will come down, so a1 upon a2 must not be equal to b1 upon b2. Alright.
Yes, sir.
Now the third condition. The third condition is uh, the slope is also same and y-intercept is also same. That means everything is same. Okay, so those two lines are looking to be two lines, but they are actually a single line. So that's why they are coinciding lines. So in that case, what will happen is everything is equal. The ratio of a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 and is also equal to c1 upon c2.
CD.
This is the condition for the, okay, this line has unique solution. What it has? Unique solution. Unique solution means, see, two lines will always intersect only at one point. They are a straight line, so they can't turn around and again come and meet. No, they will go straight.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so they will have only a unique solution, that is single solution. And this is known as infinite many solution. Infinite
Many solutions.
many solution. Infinite many solution. Why? Because it is a single line. For a single line, how many solutions you will have? Infinite many. For a single line, how many solutions you will have? Infinite many, because it is a straight line. Every point on the line is a solution. Every point on the line is a solution. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I'm going to write them, conclude them all together. So first is I'm going to write A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. What is this condition known as? This condition is known as unique solution. This is known as unique solution. Then there is a second condition which is A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2. So this is known as no solution. This is known as no solution. Then we have the third condition A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. So we say that as infinite many solution. Infinite many solution. And these two are also known as, there was a word I forgot. Okay, let's see in the book. I forgot the name.
It's okay.
Okay, say this. Okay, they are known as consistent. Okay, consistent.
Okay.
So they are known as consistent, both of them, and this is known as inconsistent. Check whether the pair of equation is consistent. Means you have to find, my dear, A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2. Just find and tell me what kind of line is this. Is this intersecting lines or coinciding lines or parallel lines?
Let me check.
You have to check the ratio of the coefficient of x and y, equate them.
Sir, I think it is consistent.
Correct. And can you tell me, if it is consistent, what kind of solution it is?
It is infinite many solutions.
No, it is not infinite many.
Really?
How?
Oh.
See, what is the ratio here? 1 by 2. What is the ratio here? Minus 1 by 1.
Oh, okay.
So they are consistent but unique solution. A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2.
Okay.
Okay, next question for you. You have to just tell me whether it is a parallel or intersecting. Okay, what kind of line is this? Please tell me. First one.
Um,
Have you done?
So how do you check?
What? You have to check, my dear, what is the A1? What is A1 here? What is B1 here? What is C1? A2, B2, C2. How to check?
Oh, okay.
This is what I taught you.
Okay, so that's how you check it.
What is A1? 5.
5.
What is B1? 7. So is 5 by 7 equal to minus 4 by 6? The answer is no. So this is intersecting line. What kind of line is this? Intersecting lines. Now come here. 9 by 18. Is it equal to 3 by 6? The answer is yes.
Yes.
Is it equal to 12 by 24? The answer is yes. So A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2, all are there. So these are coinciding lines. What kind of line is that?
Coinciding.
Now check the third one.
So no.
No?
There, one of them is, but 10 upon 9 is not.
See, 6 by 2, is it equal to minus 3 by minus 1? And is it equal to 10 by 9?
Minus. Okay, no, sir.
So see, this is 1 by 3, this is also 1 by 3. So these both are
Oh,
equal.
minus gets cancelled. Okay.
But this is not equal.
So it's unique.
No, it is parallel, I told you.
I mean, sorry, yeah.
No solution. They will have no solution. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now can you do now? 5 more questions. The same thing you have to do.
Okay.
Just check it out and let me know.
So the first one is
Yeah, tell me.
first one is not, because 3 by 2 and 2 by 3 are not the same.
First one is what?
Not. No.
Okay, so you will fall into trap, my dear. See carefully. 3 divided by 3 by 2. Is it equal to 2 divided by 5 by 3? The answer is no, because 3 will go up and 2 will come up. So it will become 6 by 3 and this will become 6 by 5. So they are not equal. So that means they are unique solution. They are
So
having.
that's what I said. I said they're not equal.
Yeah, good, good.
Oh, okay.
Do the second one.
Okay. For this one, the thing is already given. Okay, so the third one is parallel. The one directly below unique.
Third one is what?
Parallel.
Parallel. So 3 by 2 by 9 is
1.667.
Wait. 3 by 2 by 9. So it is going to be 1 by 6.
1.6, yes.
And this will be minus 1 by 6, my dear. Just check it out.
-1.
See, here you are having minus sign.
Okay, I forgot that.
So that will be unique solution. That is
Unique.
unique solution. Intersecting lines. Can you tell me for the fifth one?
Okay. Sir, all of them are equal.
All of them are equal.
Yeah.
Let me check. So 4 by 3 divided by 2 means it will go up. And 2 divided by 3. Wait. 4 by 3 divided by 2 is going to be 4 by 3 into 1 by 2. It is going to be 2 by 3. And when we check for y, it is going to be 2 by 3. This is also going to be 2 by 3. 4 into 2, 4 into 3. So that means these are parallel lines. These are parallel lines. No, sorry. They are
No, sir, they're all equal.
coinciding lines. They are coinciding lines. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Tell me for the next one. Second and fourth.
Second and fourth. Okay. Oh, wait, I forgot science again. Wait, I have to redo. Oh, okay, science did not make a difference. So the first two are correct, but then 8 by 9 is not. So it is
So 2 by 4 is 1 by
parallel.
2 and these, so parallel lines. Wonderful, you got it
Yeah.
right. So it is parallel line. Can you tell me for the fourth one?
Sir, all of them are minus 0.5.
This is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2. So this is coinciding lines.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So today what you learned? You learned about how to find what are the conditions in which you can find whether a given pair of line or given pair of simultaneous linear equations are parallel, coinciding or intersecting. Intersecting means they have a unique solution, parallel means they have a no solution, and coinciding means they have infinite many solutions. Understood?
Yes, sir.
With this, I am going to end this class. Tomorrow we will learn how to solve these equations. That means how to find the solution of these equations. ऑल राइट,
Yes, sir.
चलो बाय.
Bye, sir.
You want to ask anything, any doubt?
No, sir, no, no. I like this topic.
चलो बाय.
Bye, sir.
बकाडी ऑनलाइन हो, और कोई बच्चा बेटा किसी को कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लो, किसी भी चैप्टर में मैथ्स में है तो पूछ लो, नहीं है तो बता दो. नहीं है सर, क्लास को एंड करते हैं. है किसी को डाउट? Shall I end the class? चलो एंड करते हैं बच्चों, थोड़ी देर बाद आएंगे कुछ नए सवालों के साथ. बाय.